In this video, I'll show you how to transform a Windows 11 desktop into a clean pixel UI look with an easy step-by-step setup. Check my video description for this Rainmeter download link. Select the download option and download this MD3 Windows. Scroll down, select download basic version. Scroll down and select this public beta zip and download this wallpaper. Once download done, select the folder icon and install the Rainmeter. Once the installation done, unload these skins and open this MD3 Windows. Double click on this RM skin. Make sure you check all these and select install. Once this installation done, select done option. Go back to downloads and select the wallpaper and select set as background. Right click on the desktop and select view and select show desktop icons. Right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. Select taskbar behaviors. Check this automatically hide the taskbar and close stuff here. Welcome to MD3 Windows. Go to taskbar and menus and select the taskbar and select style 1. Drag it to down. Place the location where you comfortable. It's done. Just go back. Select the widget and styles. Select clock widget and select style 4. It looks great. Place the location where you want to be and then go back. Select weather widget and select the style 1. Select the date widget and select style 2. Place it here. Select the events widget and select style 1. Go back and select the music. Select style 1. Sit right here. Select folder widget style 1 and battery widget style 1. Sit right here. And now we have done all the work. Select this close icon. To make this music player to work, you need to open Edge and go to Chrome Web Store. Find this web now playing and add it to Edge. And now you can simply select this extension and make sure it says connected. And once this connected, you can go to YouTube. Go to music. Play any music. And now it should work. To make this event widget work for your location, you need to right click and select the edit skin option. In Google Calendar 1, the second line you can able to see en.indian. Change this to your country and once you're done, select file and select save option and right click and select refresh skin to make this work. To edit this weather skin, you need to right click and select custom skin actions and select edit weather variables and select notepad and open. And now you need to open up Edge or Chrome, search Google Map, search your city, right click on the city and select this number code. It is copied to clipboard. Paste it right here. Copy the first code and paste it in this latitude, copy the same code and paste it in longitude, and just backspace this, select file and select save option to save this. Right click and select refresh scan, and now it will work. And we have done all the work. This is the final look. If the taskbar keep appearing like this, then you need to permanently disable. Check my video description for a video. I'll show how to disable permanently. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.